Okay, so step one, we're going to activate our dry yeast. We're using 2 teaspoons and a 1/4 teaspoon, and then add some warm water to activate the yeast. Let it sit for 10 minutes. So that's our yeast. Okay. In this step, we're going to warm 1/2 cup of milk in a saucepan, and then we're going to mix a 1/4 cup sugar, 1/4 cup butter, and salt, and let everything mix. Whisk 2 eggs. So I'm going to add them to my bowl and mix them. So at the bottom of the baking tray, which is an 18 by 14 inch rectangular tray, you can mix your butter with sugar, and that's 3/4 cups of butter with 3/4 cups of sugar, and put this in the bottom of the, so it's melted butter with sugar. Put that at the bottom of your tray. Then we're gonna go ahead and cut our cinnamon logs. How are we cutting these? Very thin, very thick? I have no idea. Let's see. Into 15 pieces. Ew. Ew. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so that's the finished product. Let them sit in the oven for a bit longer than 30 minutes, so they almost got burned. Oh my god! But They look good. And they should taste just as good.